And whether you die or killed, verily unto Allah you shall be gathered on the day of judgment. So, whatever the way people die or killed or go out from this world, they all will be gathered in front of Allah in the day of judgment. Kahit paano yung patay na isang tao, kahit mamatay, kahit pinatay, or kahit anong nangyari, lahat ng ipon sa harap na Allah sa araw na paghukom. That's the meaning of the words in Tagalog, the more or less. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, فَبِمَا رَحْمَةً مِّنَ اللَّهِ لِنْتَ لَهُمْ وَلَوْ كُنْتُ فَزًّا غَلِيظَ الْقَلْبِ لَا نَفَّضُّوا مِنْ حَوْلِكَ فَاعْفُ عَنْهُمْ وَاسْتَغْفِرْ لَهُمْ وَشَاوِرْهُمْ فِي الْأَمْرِ فَإِذَا عَزَمْتَ وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُتَوَكِّلِينَ. And by the mercy of Allah, you dealt with them gently, and had you been severe and harsh-hearted, they would have deserted you. So pass over, ignore their faults, and ask forgiveness for them, and counsel them in their affairs. Then when you have taken the decision, put your trust in Allah. Certainly Allah loves those who put their trust. Okay, so that's the trust, the tawakkal. Tawakkal is a great affair. It's a great work of your heart. Tawakkal means you trust Allah. Allah can give me food. Allah can give me everything. Okay, so trust upon Allah. Tawakkal Allah is a very important thing in our faith. If you believe in Allah, then you should put trust in Allah. So believe in Allah, trust in Allah. Okay, trust in Allah that everything can happen to me only by the will of Allah. No one can profit me, and no one can save me from any harm, or no one can harm me except by the will of Allah. Okay, so you have no hope to anyone, you have no fear of anyone. You always hope to Allah, and you always fear to Allah. Ano yung sabi ng tawakkal? Tawakkal means na mag-trust ka sa Allah na lahat ng mabuti bibigyan ng Allah. Okay, no one can harm you. No, wala na may tao na may hawak na yung risk mo, yung provision mo, or kamatayan mo, or harm. Wala. Lahat ng control ng Allah. Lahat ng nangyari sa utos ng Allah. So that's very important to tawakkal Allah. Some people kung walang tawakkal sa Allah, lagi sila isip na ano nangyari bukas, ano kumakain, ano yung kain sa pamilya. Wala. Allah give us a life and Allah will feed us. So trust upon Allah. Allah na ibibigay ng buhay sa atin, siya yung bibigay ng pagkain. Okay? Huwag na isip ng ano nangyari mamaya, bukas, susunod na araw, so susunod na buwan, susunod na araw, wala. Tawakkal ala Allah. That is, kung wala ka na tawakkal sa Allah, you have very weak iman. Mahina yung iman mo. Tawakkal upon. Even you have no food, mamaya, huwag na isipin. Sabihin mo, may bigay na Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yan na tawakkal. Kung tawakkal ka sa Allah, gagawin na Allah yung masbab, yung sources. Okay? So very important to learn to tawakkal. Kung may example, wala ka ng pagkain, tapos wala ka ng pagkain sa pamilya mo, huwag ka nang alala. Huwag na isip na ganito na bakit ano nangyari bukas. Magdua sa Allah at magtawakkal sa Allah. Tawakkal to Allah, Allah yung bibigyan ng pagkain. Lahat ng yung ibon, yung marami ibon sa langit, lahat ng ibon, dadalhin nila ng pagkain sa isang araw lang. Bukas walang pagkain. Alam nila may bibigyan ng Allah sa kanila pagkain. Okay? So, tawakkal is a very important lesson you can learn today. Because it's very important part of our belief. Yung pananampalataya, malaking na yung gawa ang tawakkal. Tawakkal, trust upon Allah. Always trust upon Allah. Allah can give me everything and Allah can protect me from every harm. Bibigyan Allah lahat sa akin at bibigyan na Allah at mag-protect na Allah sa amin. Bibigyan Allah lahat sa amin at bibigyan na Allah at protect na Allah sa lahat ng masama sa amin. Okay? Lahat na masama sa atin na wala nang abot sa atin na yung masama dahil protection ng Allah. Okay? And the last words for now, إِن يَنْصُرُكُمُ اللَّهُ فَلَا غَالِبَ لَكُمْ وَإِن يَخْذُلْ لَكُمْ فَمَنْ ذَا الَّذِي يَنْصُرُكُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلْيَتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. So same words, Allah said, if Allah helps you, none can overcome you. Kung tulong na Allah sa iyo, wala nang talo sa iyo, wala na ibang na pwede sila na talo sa iyo. وَيَخْذُلْ لَكُمْ فَمَنْ ذَا الَّذِي يَنْصُرُكُمْ مِنْ بَعْدِهِ. And if Allah were to forsake you, pabayan ng Allah, sino may pwede na tulong sa'yo? Tulong sa'yo. Wala na may tulong dahil napabayan ng Allah. So, trust Allah, ask Allah to help, and pray to Allah not to leave you. Magdua sa Allah, hingi na Allah na hindi na yung pabayan sa atin. Okay? But always to help us and always to protect us. So that's also part of the tawakkal, the trust upon Allah. If Allah were to forsaken you, then who can help you after Him? وَعَلَى اللَّهِ فَلِتَوَكَّلِ الْمُؤْمِنُونَ. And upon Allah, the believers should trust. Upon Allah, the believers should trust. So may Allah guide us, may Allah forgive us.